Hello everyone and happy Thursday. I am so excited to have today's video up because that means that I have gotten this kitchen deep cleaning checked off of my list and I'm not having to worry about it for at least a week or two. So what we're doing in today's video is we are doing like a get it all done kitchen edition. I am starting by prepping some produce for my kids for the week. I'm going to show y'all how I keep their little area in the fridge, in which they're able to go through the fridge and get whatever they want. But I keep them one little part of the door that has fresh fruit, it has yogurt, it's got a few vegetables, just something that they can grab quickly and choose that over like processed foods or chips or junk food that they don't necessarily need. So we're starting with that, and then we're gonna get into the rest of like the deep cleaning. And I just want to tell you guys, if y'all can hear the traffic or if you can hear my dogs outside playing, I do want to just tell y'all why. Here in North Mississippi this week we have been having some absolutely beautiful weather. It has been so nice outside. It's actually been pretty chilly here and it was beautiful for the first day of fall. The high here for the last little bit has been like in the low 70s, like 72, 73. So it has been amazing. So I have all of my windows up, freshening out the house and just enjoying some fall weather. So if you can hear some background noise, I do apologize for that, but I'm really trying to soak in all of this nice weather before it's taken away again.
I don't wanna waste my time, so baby we should start living now.
Come take my hand, I will walk with you. I won't let go till you say so. There isn't anything I wouldn't do. Wanna make sure that you understand. You're the one who gives my life color. There's no one other. With your hand in mine, let me go by your side. Let me go by your side.
So now we're going to move over to the dining table and we're going to get this table cleaned off and wiped down, and then we're going to get the rest of the kitchen situated. But I do want to take a second and introduce myself. For anybody that is new here, I have a lot of new friends and I am so excited and I am so thankful for each and every one of you that have been subscribed to my channel. Here I do a lot of cleaning motivation. That is mainly what my channel is revolved around. That's what I do the most of. It's what I enjoy doing the most of, and I feel like those videos are what does the best on my channel. But you can also find some room renovations on a budget. We have purchased our home within the last year, so we're still in the process of kind of like making it our own, whether that's just with home decor or full on painting the cabinets, whatever the case may be. You can find some of that here. You can find grocery hauls, recipes for the family, general mom stuff just kind of thrown into my videos. But like I said, the majority will be cleaning motivation. So if that's something that you enjoy watching, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and stick around and become a part of my YouTube family. And if you are new, be sure to leave a comment down in the comment section and let me know who you are, where you're watching from, and kind of what drew withdrawn. Whatever made you want to subscribe to my channel, so that I can come by and personally say thank you, but also myself and other viewers can get to know you a little bit more.
We could be in for the best ride. Want this to last for the rest of our lives. Without you there is no tomorrow.
I am wiping all of the cabinets down. If y'all have white cabinets, y'all know they show literally everything, like any food residue from kids' hands touching it. If your hands are not squeaky clean and you open the cabinet door and just so happen to touch it somewhere else, it's gonna show. So I'm giving these all a really good wipe down, and then we're gonna clean the microwave out, and I've got some other things to do as far as deep cleaning in the kitchen goes.
Saw you, I was gone. Ringing from my head into my bones. Baby, got me feeling like a toast. Damn, it's sunny, should've brought less clothes. I got a heavy one last time, taking off my mind. One last night for a last goodbye. I got a heavy one last time, one last night, one last night for a last goodbye. Man, I feel so damn weak when you text me, you got needs only I can satisfy. And I don't wanna be at your fingertips so weak, but I sold my heart, so guess it's on me. Be there in 3. Be there in 3.
So as y'all could see, the microwave was really not that bad, but it did have a few little splatters here and there, and it had some residue from food on the turning plate that stays in the microwave. So I want to give that a quick wipe down and wash that plate, just so that you know, we'll have a fresh, clean microwave. And even if it wasn't that bad, I wanted to go ahead and get it cleaned out before it got really bad. Now on to washing some dishes. I had a sink full, and I have really been trying to stay on top of these dishes, you guys, because I've told y'all I don't like hand washing dishes. My dishwasher is currently still out of order, and I am hinting at Santa Claus that he's gonna have to bring me a new one, because this hand washing stuff, it just ain't working for me, okay? So I am gonna get these dishes washed up, and I'm actually gonna get some of them dried and put them away, and I've actually been trying to do that too, because the kitchen just looks so much cleaner whenever, you know, you wash all the dishes and put them away at the same time, and then your kitchen looks like spotless, which is not something that happens very often in my house. I aim to do it and then it just doesn't get done, but we are gonna get that done today.
Feeling like just as cool as John Wayne in his movies. Feeling like I'm James Dean and I know it. Feeling like feeling like a rock star. Feeling like a rock star. rock star. Feeling like a rock star. Feeling like a rock star.
Alright, so it is now the next day, and it's time to get this fridge cleaned out. There's coffee spills in here. There is God knows what spilled in this little area of the door. So I'm going to clean it out by shelf. I wipe everything down. Well, take everything out, wipe it down, put it back where it goes. I do it by shelf because if my kids start to need something, I don't want to have like the whole entire fridge out and it stay out for an extended period of time. So that's why I do it the way that I do.
I wanna run away, wanna make mistakes now. 'Cause I don't wanna stay, wanna live my own life. Wanna feel passion for something or someone that makes my world turn upside down. Wanna give it up for something or someone that's better than this. So don't be too offended, I have to leave. There's nothing in for me, no, I'm not fitting in. I've packed my things to go. Am I being naive? But it's my choice to make. It's my new rebellious way. Choice to make, it's my new rebellious way.
So it's not super organized in here, but that really was not my goal for today. I just wanted to specifically get it cleaned out because it was getting pretty gross. So can y'all let me know down in the comment section, do y'all dry your dishes and put them away, or are you like me and usually let them air dry for an extended period of time? Moving over to these windows, I wanted to give these all a quick wipe down because my kids stand in the windows sometimes, like if it's raining or if it's just too hot outside or too cold outside, they stand in the windows and just kind of look at the backyard, look at the dogs playing outside, look at some of the traffic going by on the highway, and so there's always a lot of fingerprints and stuff on here, so I wanted to give these a quick wipe down.
You come back and say I'm sorry, boo. And I know you never mean it, gets you in though. Did you call me 'cause you had to? 'Cause you know I'd throw your suitcase out the window. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will just fine. Don't need no therapist. There's nothing like wine.
So now I'm going in with my Mrs. Meyer's Acorn Spice multi-surface spray, and I'm going to be wiping down all of the countertops, the appliances, all that good stuff, and then we're going to get into vacuuming and mopping the floors.
Just fine. Don't need no therapist. There's nothing like wine. Under my tattoos, just a remedy, and the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, yeah, there's a remedy, yeah. Oh no, darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya, I'm gonna do that, darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. There's a remedy, darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya, I'm gonna
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, we're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new, just right what I needed. Take me there, we can drive away. Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. A gentle breeze, the night's got a fever, to the moon and back, playing loud in the speakers. You and me, can I marry you right?
So I am using my O-Cedar Rinse Clean mop to mop the floors, and that's pretty much going to be the ending of today's video. That's the last task that I had to do, and it feels so good to have that whole list of stuff checked off and just done. My kitchen has not been this clean in a very long time, so I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate to that. I try to spend as much time with my kids as I can, especially because my husband works so many long hours, and I'm really finally like finding that balance between filming and editing and being able to spend real quality time with my kids. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video, and if you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you have watched thus far in the video, if you will leave me like a hamburger emoji, that'd be great. Just so that I can know that you have made it this far. Of course, when you guys watch these videos to the end, it really does help my channel out. It helps my videos. So I do appreciate you guys so much. So I will see you guys again on Monday. Y'all have a good weekend. Bye, y'all.